In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins in Adobe After Effects. So first of all, we need to go to the Adobe After Effects installation folder or to the location where you installed the software. Basically, you just need to go to the Windows menu, search for After Effects, then here, click on Open File Location. And here, we're going to find this one, and also we're going to right click on it, then click on Open File Location. And here we're going to find where our file or installation folder is located without any further complication or difficulty. Or you can simply go to the computer, then to the local disk C, and here we go to Program Files, x86 Adobe, and it's not here, so it will be in the Adobe Program folder. And as you can see, here is our Adobe After Effects. Go into the support files folder and we'll find the same files there. So in support files, we now have the same files. Basically, now we want to go into the plugins folder to add our plugins. So basically here we have our plugins and we go into the effects folder. And now you can simply install your plugin by putting it here if you just downloaded an AEX file, or you can simply create a new file, a new folder, and create a new folder, name it however you want, or with the name of your plugin that you just downloaded. Because obviously if you want to install a plugin, you'll first need to download it from somewhere on the internet. So when you download your plugins, just add them here, create a folder for each plugin you want, or you can simply assign them all to a single folder and put them all inside. But while you're performing these steps, you need to make sure After Effects is closed, so that when you restart and reopen it, you'll find your plugins applied in the software. So basically, after installing your plugin or setting it up here in your folder, you just need to close After Effects and reopen it, and you'll find your plugins in the effects and presets, and you can search for the name you just created. And basically that's the way to add plugins to your Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching.